So when we began our journey, it was purely out of the need to support and bring Waldorf education to everybody around us. The children in the kindergarten needed a school, and here is Advaya Shalai.
It's been 6 years since Advaya Shalai started, and I've seen the school grow from strength to strength. From a class of 9 children, we've grown in numbers over the years, but the core philosophy with which we started, keeping the child in the center of everything, remains. And this is Rudolf Steiner's principle of Waldorf education. The child is the heart of the school. And being a teacher here has been a most fulfilling experience working with children, and what connects us is not the curriculum or academics, but it is beyond that, it is love.
The Waldorf way has more or less been, our lifestyle for the past 10-11 years since my older daughter was born. Advaya in our lives is an extended family. It's a home away from home for our children.
We've started this journey with Waldorf for my daughter almost 5 years back. We have seen the fruit of it till now, and we want to continue this for her for the rest of the schooling years.
Being a parent at Advaya, it's always been a pleasure. It is an overall development of the children, and here the best part of Advaya is the children do not have any Monday blues or any other day's blues. They just enjoy coming to school, and they don't think the curriculum is a burden for them, but it is a development process and which they enjoy to the core. Thanks to all the Advaya teachers.
The backbone of any school is of course its teachers. The kind of commitment levels and the kind of love and dedication that the teachers have towards the curriculum and towards our children is truly commendable, and we are so grateful that we have Advaya in our lives.
Which is very unique in Waldorf education is you work with the same set of children for multiple years, which gives you an opportunity to tailor the teaching to each individual child. Waldorf education caters the physical and emotional development of the child. Here in Advaya, as a Waldorf education school, we provide children to work very closely with the nature, and they learn through the nature how it is supposed to be learnt. They work hands-on throughout the year, like knitting, crochet, which gives them an opportunity to see the results what they have been doing.
ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಲಿಯುವ ರೀತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪಾಠ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಲಿಕೆ, ಹಬ್ಬಗಳು, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಕಲಿಕೆಯಂತಲ್ಲದೆ ಆಟದಂತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಡು, ಆಟ, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
Coming from a conventional teaching background, I never knew what all pleasant surprises was waiting for me here. I really love this method, which engages and nourishes the child's academics, arts and practical skills through the process, the threefold process of thinking, feeling and willing.
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಶಾಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿಭಿನ್ನತೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೃದಯಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಟ್ಟುವಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಅದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪುಳಿತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯವೂ ಚಿತ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಥೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಹಿಂದಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಅಥವಾ ತಮಿಳು ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಅದು ಬೇಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Hi, I take games at Advaya. At no time in the past has probably games been more needed than over the past couple of years of immense physical restrictions. Games is indeed important for the all-round development of the child. And also, unlike many other PE programs, Waldorf games are an integral part of the great experience for the child. These games not only help with the physical development of the child, but also bring about many other aspects. For instance, any social issues that might be there, isolation, bullying, these come to the fore on the games ground when the child is in the moment without any filters. These games have worked wonderfully well for all the children I have met at Advaya, including my own, and I do hope that they will continue to do so for many more children in the years to come.
Advaya Shale has been very, very instrumental in creating the behavior of my child today. We've been really glad as parents that our child gets to go to a school which is so child-centric. The school not just helps him develop academically but also at a creative level, at a spiritual level, and to see that everybody first thinks of the well-being of the child is literally the only thing I could ask for as a parent.
When we actually returned from US after 10 years, my biggest concern coming into India was, am I putting my kids in the rat race that is the conventional Indian system? We didn't want our kids to lose their childhood and innocence in pursuit of academic excellence. So we were quite happy to hear about Advaya and its teaching philosophy. Both our children now love to go to school. In addition to learning literacy and numeracy, they're also learning a lot of different skill sets, including painting, violin, creative writing, etc. Now, after 3 years later, proudly wearing the cap handmade by my daughter, I'm happy and proud to say that we made the right choice.
I must say our educational experience has been exceptional. For my kids, Advaya is like a second home. Advaya provides a very versatile curriculum catering to all needs of the child's development with a very beautiful pattern, rhythm, repetition, music, handwork. Especially in today's materialistic world, culture is very beautifully embedded in the system of the school. For example, they celebrate festivals together and they learn around it.
I really love the way Advaya Shale is getting the Waldorf philosophy to the children, the way they integrate it with Indian stories from our land, from the root of where the child is born. They also make sure they get stories from the land where the child is born and where the school is located. So, the way the teachers are delivering this curriculum is really beautiful, extremely engaged, just like a mother. The other children, the classmates of the child are just like the child's siblings. And the best thing to see is the smile on the face as soon as, you talk about school, the child just lights up. The child is always waiting to come to school. The kind of things which the child gets from the school, it's like a complete holistic soul development for the child. It's not only passing on information, but it's actually kindling the fire in the child. I'm truly grateful to be a part of this community.
Advaya Shale it's a community-run school. The learning is imparted through a way of the experience, that the kids are experiencing it through touch, the various forms that they're learning every day, and it stays with them for life, and they're able to retain it and apply the same thing, the thought process in the coming years and the decisions that they make.
Finding a Waldorf school, finding Waldorf education is not just a matter of convenience and shopping around for schools or types of education. Waldorf education is a way of life. It's a value system, and it's something that a lot of us have been searching for as parents. As a parent and a founding member of Advaya Shale, I can say just one thing, that once you get on this path, there's really no turning back. One of the popular misconceptions about Waldorf systems of education is that it's very simple, it's for children who are not good for academics, and also that it's all about singing, dancing and drawing. The truth, however, is very different. Our children are very high-striving individuals, children who are good at academics, and I wouldn't say just good, but they are excelling at academics. The difference being they are also excelling in music, they are also excelling in art, handwork and sports. A Waldorf child's book speaks the loudest and reiterates what I've just said. In a Waldorf child's notebook, you will find long, complicated prose, You will find very complex equations, all of it solved very clearly, understood very deeply. But what you will also find is a lot of beauty. There's a lot of artwork that goes into every child's notebook, thereby bringing in his individual personality, his individual likes and dislikes. Every notebook of a child, even if they are in the same grade, are highly distinct from each other. This is where we at Advaya Shale and schools all across, Waldorf schools all across the world actually differ, is that we have completed a task with a deep understanding and a sense of deep aesthetics.
As part of the Advaya team, we have done this journey for the past 5 years and we want to continue this for another 5 years and we need your support.
We are a 21st century school where we are trying to weave in the social, the economic and the educational needs of every child in Karnataka. We want to open our doors and expand so that this beautiful system of Waldorf education by Dr. Rudolf Steiner is extended to every child in Karnataka. We are at a juncture where we started from primary school, grade 1, with 9 stars or planets in our first grade class. Today we have grown to 100 children with classes from grade 1 to grade 6. So what is it that made Advaya Shale grow? We did grow organically, but here we are now with the need to expand into classes right up to grade 10, where we have built this strong community and this community seeks to expand the school.
We are very satisfied sending our daughter to Advaya Shale, a Waldorf inspired school. Advaya Shale is primarily a parent community run school and is very transparent in its operations. Parents' involvement is strongly encouraged in all matters ranging from curriculum development to finance to school bazaar and so on. We strongly believe the school stimulates curiosity in the children and is equipping them with tools to be better human beings.
Being the first set of people to support this venture, we thought this is a contribution not just for our child's education, but for a whole generation of children to come in the future. Setting up this kind of an institution is actually an investment for many generations of children to come, that too located in fair proximity to the Bangalore city. Everybody who's involved with this is essentially a volunteer. It is not for profit, managed by parents.
At Advaya Shale, the syllabus and the teaching methodologies are very closely linked to the consciousness of the child at that particular age. The teachers are also very well aware of the fact that every child is different and they tune their methods for different children.
Our experience at Advaya has been that of being part of a closely knit family that is constantly watching out for each other. The other extremely endearing and refreshing part about the school is the level of transparency. Whether it is about the logic for a decision being taken or the finances of the school or the fee structure, everything is shared openly with the parents, just as it would be in a family.
Waldorf education can be very beautifully adapted to bring in the cultural and traditional values of India and the place or the region where the children are growing. We bring in the Waldorf philosophy through intrinsic training for the teachers who join us. A group of dedicated teachers make the pedagogy come alive in the classroom. They move, they sing, they dance, and they teach academics in a well-rounded manner. I'm Lata Madhusudan. I'm founder of Prakriti Waldorf Kindergarten and co-founder of Advaya Shale.
It was a group of parents, Waldorf Kindergarten teachers, inspired by the Waldorf philosophy, came together and started Advaya Shale in the year 2015 with financial support from the parent community. Right from there, we have grown organically by adding one grade each year. So in the current location in Kasturi Nagar, it is a rental space, can hold up till grade 7. Now there is a requirement for us to establish a full-fledged Waldorf school from grade 1 to 10. And we have estimated a cost of 10 crores, including the cost of land, to build the school. So with contribution from parents, we have been able to mobilize around 10% of the cost. For the remaining, we are working on multiple fundraising initiatives to mobilize the funds and establish the school.
The need for imagination, a sense of truth, a feeling of responsibility. These are the very three forces which are the very nerve of Waldorf education. A quote by Rudolf Steiner.